Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove emojis from your photos in the CapCut apps. So after open the CapCut apps, and you will see the photo editor at the top left. So just click on it and select your photo that you want to edit. Okay, as you can see in the photo, there is an emoji and I'm going to remove it. How to? Okay, I'm going to select shape and just select shape. For example, select the circle shape and just click check mark, and you can adjust it and change the color. Just click the pencil icon at right and select the I think this the new color. Select new color and select the background. Okay, just select the color and in the background. Okay, and just move check mark and move the shape until you match the object that you want to remove. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, the emoji has been removed from photo. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.